As you can see, it's 7:30 in the morning. It's still very quiet and still cool. In the back you have Cross Mountain, the confessionals, and the bookshop of the Franciscans over there. You need to get out very early in the morning to appreciate still a bit of coolness, but it's getting already very, very hot again. Temperature rising. We should have 36, 37 degrees. And this next week coming. And I just want to give a little morning impression about Medjugorje. There we go. This is funny. There were just some people who said, "This is Tom Costa Brava," looking at me. But I hope it's okay. I changed my name to Tom Medjugorje. Some friends said it would be nicer. I hope that is okay for you guys. Still, my history is that I came from the Costa Brava and I had a travel channel and a huge conversion here and stayed here. You can see that there's a testimony in English where you can see a bit my way, how I ended up here in Medjugorje. You can see here life starts soon. Around 8 o'clock the shops open. Step by step, still starting the day. Today we have feast day, so the mass is at 8, not at 7:30. And what I like so much here in Medjugorje, you have these traveling buses, autocars, you call them in English, no? And they have a picture of Our Lady. You see that in the front? Isn't that beautiful? Make her known. That is our obligation. That's my mission as well. And if you like the channel, give a like, subscribe to the channel and share the videos. That other people also can see the beauty of Our Lady and that we make Medjugorje known. I didn't know it. I had a travel channel, Tom Costa Brava, living at the Costa Brava. And I changed it to be a missionary channel, or how to say, like a promotion channel for Our Lady. So please pray for me that I keep doing the mission or the ministry, and I pray for you here in Medjugorje. God bless you all. Bye bye for now.